keyboard shortcuts your boss doesn't want you to know. Number 1. Minimize all tabs. Playing games and your boss walks in? Minimize all tabs by clicking Windows M. To unminimize, click Windows Shift M. Now you can go back to playing your games. Number 2. Search document/text. Forget to read your boss's email? Use the Control and F key to search for keywords. A search bar in the top right corner will appear, and you can search the email or document to find keywords. Number 3. Open Incognito tab. Need to search something up you don't want your boss to see? Use the Control, Shift, and N key to open an incognito tab while in Chrome. Your screen should turn black and say you've gone incognito. Please like and subscribe for more.